Hello beautiful, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to build muscle, stay in a calorie deficit, or just trying to eat something in the morning that's actually satisfying, then this video is for you. Today I am sharing with you 3 of my go-to high protein breakfasts, all between 45 and 50 grams of protein and all roughly around 500 calories. They are all gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, SIBO gut-friendly because your girl, we deal with gut issues over here. Let me know if any of you guys do too. But most importantly, you guys, these are so tasty, so delicious, and something that you're actually gonna wanna make over and over and over again. And that's the kind of food that you want when you're in a calorie deficit. Those are the kind of foods that you wanna eat when you're on a healthy, sustainable lifestyle, because you wanna have delicious, high protein foods that you wanna eat over and over again. And I'm gonna walk you through each one with macros included. So if this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's jump right into today's video. All right, girlies, are you ready for 3 really delicious breakfast recipes? I am. Breakfast is for sure my favorite meal of the day, so I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the 3 meals that I have been eating on repeat lately. We're actually gonna end up making 4 recipes today because I'm gonna show you guys a new patty recipe. If you guys haven't seen my chicken patty recipe, I will have that linked here for you guys to go check it out. Adding patties, whether it's chicken patties or ground beef patties, to my plate has made hitting 50 grams of protein for breakfast so much easier, and it's a really great, easy way to just boost your protein at any meal. So we gotta start with those because it's meal prep time and we gotta get those. So let's make some patties. All right, you guys, so we just added a pound of ground beef to our bowl. All right, so we're just gonna add about a half a cup to our ground beef. We're gonna go in with some parsley. Okay, we're just gonna take a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Not necessary, but it gives such a good kick, so let's do it. 2 green onions. Add that to the bowl. 1 egg. A half a teaspoon of oregano. I'm just gonna do a little bit of thyme. And because I can, Liv's not gonna eat these, so I'm gonna use some red pepper flakes. We're gonna do some salt and some pepper. So I'm gonna mix this up and weigh it into 2-ounce patties. Let's go. All right, so those are in the pan cooking. Let's make the first official high protein, super delicious breakfast. And of course, these are my high protein pancakes. You guys, these are so delicious. I have scaled back on eating my pancakes because I was eating my pancakes every single day, and my focus right now is to really get more vegetables in my day. However, on the weekends, like Sunday, I still want pancakes for breakfast, and these are phenomenal. Like I said, I've been eating them for like 6 months straight and I can't get enough of them. The winning ingredient though for me is the salted caramel lean protein by Tropica. There's a link for you guys in the description box down below. I've been using this protein powder for almost 10 years now. I feel like I started using it before I had Liv. Liv's gonna be 7 years old. It's been a long time. We're just gonna take 4 tablespoons of your protein powder of choice. I use a 1/4 cup of gluten-free flour. You can use any kind of flour that you want. And honestly, I do like a little bit heaped. It's not a flat 1/4 cup. We're gonna put in some salt, a teaspoon of baking powder. We're gonna start with a half a cup of egg whites. And then a 1/4 cup almond milk. I just make my own because I don't like the fillers. A tablespoon of 100% pure maple syrup. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then you just put your liquid ingredients with the dry ingredients. Give it a little whisk. So you can leave it like this. I'm just gonna add like a pinch more almond milk, or you could add water. I just don't want them to be too thick. So it looks like batter. That's what we're going for. So you really want to prep the pan. You can use whatever you want. What I find works the best is this coconut oil spray. It just helps prevent them from sticking. It's no calories. It's not a big deal. I just put a little bit in the pan. If you are going to use butter or oil, don't forget to track it, okay? Tracking matters, especially the oils and the butters. They add up quick, okay? All right, you guys, so here is breakfast number one. I will put the calories and the macros up here on the screen for you. 2 protein pancakes, a couple tablespoons of coconut yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt, which will boost the protein even more. 2 turkey patties or chicken patties. This is 22 grams of protein, 30 grams of protein. Oh my goodness, it's so delicious. Let's just take a quick bite. Let's taste test these patties. Cheers. Really great flavor. For me personally, I think I'm just a chicken patty girl, but great flavor. These pancakes are seriously so indulgent. They're light, they're fluffy, they're creamy. I'm serious. I don't know about you guys, but we should do pancakes every weekend. When I lived in my apartment complex with my sister, we would do Belgian waffles with strawberries every weekend. This hits. This is gonna give you that same, like, I feel like I'm doing something wrong, but I'm not. Like, it's so good. High in protein, it's so delicious. Honestly, check this one out. I can't say which one's my favorite because they all taste so good, but protein pancakes will always be at the top of my list. Let's move on to breakfast number 2. Now, breakfast number 2 and 3 are so customizable, and that's what I love about them, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys what I make for myself, what I really love, but please feel free to modify this, change this, make this your own. The first one we're gonna make is a veggie scramble, and again, we're gonna put 2 patties on the side. I love to use bell peppers, zucchinis, mixed greens, green onions, baby tomatoes, like anything I really have. I'm gonna saute it up in the pan. Super quick, super easy. Really, really love it. Mix it up, put it together. So freaking good. We love her. All right, you guys, honestly, it took 5 minutes to make this breakfast. So quick, so easy. And who says that eating in a calorie deficit or eating healthy means not eating? Look at how much food is in that bowl. And honestly, this meal will keep me full for hours. That is the point. It's not about eating less. It's about eating the right food. Whole foods, protein. This is it right here. So quick, so easy, so delicious. Let's do a taste test. You gotta get a tomato in there. Anybody else love cooked tomatoes? It's for me. Now you could top this with some Greek yogurt. You could top this with salsa, would be so good. I can't eat either of those things, but if I could, I would. I used to be a salsa verde girly. Oh my goodness. Breakfast number 2, so quick, so easy. Let's make breakfast number 3. Last but certainly not least, okay, is like a hash brown bowl. About a medium heat, I'm gonna take my coconut oil spray again and just hit the pan. I'm gonna take about 50 grams of sweet potato that I just grated up because we're making like a little hash brown bowl, okay? So we're gonna do our hash browns, put that in a pile and let that kind of start cooking. And then 100 grams of veggies. I'm gonna put those in the other side of the pan. All right, you guys, check that out. So quick, so easy, so delicious. We got our 2 eggs, we got 3 patties. This makes our 50 grams of protein. We've got our sweet potato hash browns, our sauteed veggies, and you better believe, you guys, I forgot my handful of mixed greens. You know me, if you know me, you know I would add a handful of mixed greens. I love sauteing my mixed greens with my veggies because you mix a little bit of the egg yolk and the sweet potato hash browns and the greens and the tomatoes. Chef's kiss, so delicious. Don't skimp on your mixed greens, you guys. It bulks up your meals. It gives you more micronutrients. It's just so good for you. It's so good for your digestion. Eat more greens, and I like wilting it down. I like that kind of aspect to it. That's what feels good for me and my body, especially on cold mornings. This is such a nurturing, like warm bowl. Let's give it a taste. All right, you just gotta try to get as much on a bite as you can. This might be my favorite. I love sweet potatoes and fried eggs. Cooked tomatoes, yum. Dude, this hits every time. Cheers. It's a mix of all of the things, so many flavors. You guys, you honestly can't go wrong. So good, so quick, so easy. All of this can be meal prepped the night before, the day before, the beginning of the week, at the end of the week, whenever you do your meal prep. Cut your veggies ahead of time. You can grate your sweet potatoes ahead of time. Pre-make your patties ahead of time. Like, this honestly only took me about 5 minutes to make anyway, but seriously, just throw it all in one pan. Quick, easy, very minimal cleanup, high protein, so delicious. All right, you guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below which recipe you're gonna try or which one you are most excited to try. These are all my favorites, so I cannot pick which one is my absolute favorite because I love them all. All of them are different. They all have a different flavor profile. The veggie scramble you can make so many different ways. When I have leftover chicken from tacos, I'll use that in the pan instead of using a patty, or my ground beef from my ground beef tacos. Like, you can make like a breakfast taco bowl with those, and it's just scrambled eggs, a bunch of mixed veggies. Don't forget your handful of greens. So quick, so delicious, and honestly, it's never boring because it's so easy to change the flavor profiles. And if you need that little sweet hit in the morning, you guys, we're women. Around your cycle, you're gonna crave carbs, you're gonna crave sweet things. Make protein pancakes, at least get that in, you know what I'm saying? Like, the sweet potatoes will help you during that time of your cycle too, because they're really comforting and nurturing and so good, okay? So these are good for all the time, but honestly, just find recipes that you absolutely love. If you guys need more high protein recipes, you guys can check out my website, charlenetown.com, under Fuel Your Body. There are free recipes over there. You can also get my Empower Your Plate high protein recipe ebook, 30 plus high protein recipes, so delicious. They're all quick, easy, family friendly recipes that me and my family love and eat all the time. That's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video. It lets me know that this is content that you guys really like to see, and comment down below what your favorite recipe is. I want to hear about it. What recipe are you making? What is your favorite high protein breakfast recipe? I want to know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.